Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in travel insurance packages with TravelGuard, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before diving into travel insurance, it's important to understand what it is. Travel insurance is designed to protect your financial investment in trips. Research the various travel insurance options offered by TravelGuard. Visit TravelGuard's official website to find detailed information about their packages. Start by reviewing the different types of coverage available. Look for options such as trip cancellation, medical expenses, and baggage protection. Compare the coverage limits and exclusions on each policy. Consider your specific travel plans and personal needs. Determine how much coverage you require based on your destination and activities. Use TravelGuard's easy-to-navigate online quote tool. Enter your travel details, including dates and destination. Review the quotes provided for various coverage options. Take note of the premium costs associated with each policy. Once you've compared options, select a policy that fits your needs. Read through the policy details thoroughly before proceeding. Check for any additional options that can enhance your coverage. Enter your personal information to complete your purchase. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid issues later. After purchasing, you will receive confirmation of your insurance policy. Keep this confirmation easily accessible during your trip. Familiarize yourself with how to file a claim just in case. Save the contact details for TravelGuard's customer service. Now you're ready to enjoy your travels with peace of mind knowing you're covered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.